You see more of that sun kind of breaking through, which we are seeing in spots. That helps to fuel some of these showers and storms as well. So right now what we're seeing is just a few pop-up showers out toward the Berkshires, but you can see how that extends through Connecticut. The activity that has us more concerned is as you stretch through areas of New York, stretching all the way into upstate New York, and then stretching all the way down through Pennsylvania into New Jersey. So this is starting to become more widespread in this area where we're seeing more breaks of sun, and that is going to continue to shift eastward. So we are concerned for that chance of thunderstorms leading to flash flooding. That concern is strongest moving north and west of 495 for later this afternoon into this evening. And in western Massachusetts, especially into the Berkshires, there's a chance that some of these thunderstorms could be strong, perhaps even some stronger wind gusts and a downburst potential as well. Pockets of flooding could get close to 2 to 4 inches in some isolated locations. But you can see how in general rainfall is expected north and west of Boston, and you could see a few wetter spots here as you move up through the North Shore into southern New Hampshire. But clearly the bullseye here appears to be western Massachusetts, perhaps extending into central Massachusetts into areas of Worcester County. You can see it's kind of focused here right along 91. We have a flood watch in effect as we move into western Massachusetts. While Worcester County is not included in the flood watch, please be aware this is a spot where I do think we'll have some flooding downpours during the evening commute, so some inconvenient timing here. Elsewhere, as you move from Boston southeast, while it is dry, we're feeling that moisture in the form of humidity. Dew point temperatures are starting to climb toward 70, and it stays in this tropical level for really the rest of the work week. So we don't see much relief here from humidity, and with heat levels even getting higher, it is going to feel downright like a scorcher into the next couple of days. Right now, we are seeing a few spots hitting 80 degrees. So you can see that's the case in Portsmouth and Norwood, but still in the 70s as you head out toward Boston. Mid 80s this afternoon. We'll feel even hotter due to that humidity level. Notice we're stuck in the 70s down toward Cape Cod and the islands with the wind out of the south-southwest. But focusing in on Boston, mid 80s will feel more like the upper 80s at times. Notice some slivers of sun possible this afternoon, and then a chance for those storms getting close to the city as we head into this evening. Let's time it out because it's really as we move west of Boston that the chance of storms is greatest. This is 3 o'clock, and already at that point we're starting to see these storms slowly marching out of the Berkshires and starting to move toward our area. So by 3 o'clock you need to be weather aware, especially if you're in central Massachusetts and heading up into southern New Hampshire. These downpours continue to spread eastward. It's a slow process though, so even at 6 p.m. the focus of this activity is really north and west of 495. Could possibly see some training storms as well, which leads to more in the way of flash flooding. We're still watching this at about 8-9 o'clock, but thereafter we start to see things dissipating. We are drying out for tonight, but I think we'll have a few spot showers to